As per our ongoing Cardano cost expectation, the worth of Cardano will expanded by 234.78%, coming to 90 cents by end of 2025. Incredibly, all specialized pointers show that the by and large current opinion truly is negative, while the trepidation and covetousness file sort of is perusing 28.32, which basically implies intense apprehension, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Our Cardano gauge, it's dangerous to essentially sell Cardano right now in an unpretentious manner. On September 20th, 2023, practically generally specialized investigation pointers flagged bullish signs, while different markers flagged negative signs, demonstrating an overall negative opinion among Cardano cost expectations. See the specific Cardano cost expectation underneath. You will know how especially Cardano is worth in the next few long stretches of time, which generally is very huge. Over the very most recent 30 days, Cardano has in a real sense diminished by 4.49%. Because of this, we can especially get with the exception of an especially slight recuperation in the approaching month, which truly is very huge. Toward the finish of September, the worth of Cardano expanded by 114.43% and came to approach around 54 cents in an unpretentious manner. As of now, all markers truly are demonstrating negative zone, and the trepidation and ravenousness list truly shows 28.32, kind of intense feelings of dread in a significant manner. As per our estimate, this isn't the ideal opportunity to sell Cardano in an unobtrusive manner. At present, Cardano generally is exchanging underneath the 200 straightforward moving especially normal and inconspicuous way. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31st, 2023, SMA has shown a Cardano selling signal. The cost of Cardano is presently running beneath the 50-day straightforward moving normal SMA, and it most certainly shows a sell signal. As per every specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will in every way that really matters hit 33 cents toward the finish of December, as opposed to mainstream thinking. By December 2023-2024, Cardano's momentary 50-day SMA shows a 27 cent in a sort of significant manner. The really relative strength file, RSI, force oscillator sort of is a famous pointer that signals whether a cryptographic money is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI especially is as of now at or Civilu amazingly. This demonstrates that the ADA market is in an unbiased position. Cardano value expectation 2023 in the principal 7-day stretch of January 2023, Cardano came to 40 cents when it for the most part dipped under 24 cents, interestingly since January 2021. Or so they certainly thought. As per the financial backers and market trades, Cardano is en route to passing the 55 cents mark before the current year is over. Before 55 cents, it might for the most part break its characteristic of $3.10 and reach, which generally is genuinely critical. As indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Cardano will in a real sense break its past all-time high of $3.10. And most certainly hold somewhere in the range of 54 cents and 55 cents soon, which basically is very critical. At this point, on 20 September 2023, Cardano in a real sense is exchanging at 25 cents, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 104.41 M, and it generally makes number 7 cash in the all things considered entire crypto world. Cardano value expectation 2024 thereby and large is plausible that Cardano can, for the most part, get through the 65 cents boundary and really hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The fundamentally the least Cardano cost will be between 54 cents to 65 cents, and the most for the most part possible Cardano cost will truly be certainly consistent at around 60 cents. Toward the finish of 2024. Despite Cardano's wild swings in esteem, and the debate encompassing its naturally unpleasant energy utilization, tycoon adventure pretty entrepreneur Tim Draper is adhering to his forecasts that Cardano will essentially reach 65 cents toward the finish of 2024 or essentially mid-2024. Cardano value expectation 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists truly foresee that ADA will explicitly begin the year at 74 cents, and exchange around 90 cents in a significant manner. As per their expectations, this would sort of be very in every way that really matters. High contrasted with last year in an unpretentious manner. This generally is actually a satisfactory leap in Bitcoin. Cardano Value Expectation 2026. There generally is a great opportunity that Cardano 2026 value expectation will kind of twofold in cost, yet it sort of is likewise really conceivable that it may not basically arrive at its normal in every practical sense, most extreme $1.15 level. Cardano fundamentally is somewhat anticipated to by and large arrive at a record-breaking sort of high of $1.05 or $1.15 in 2026, and it very well may be the extended period of Cardano, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cardano Value Expectation 2027. Cardano Value Forecast, or ADA, will encounter huge development in 2027, as it especially has the in every way that really matters potential to generally accomplish new highs. As far as sticker costs and market cap, Cardano's cost is supposed to basically outperform $1.15 in 2027. It for the most part has been anticipated that Cardano will for the most part arrive at the essentially greatest cost of $1.15. And the extremely least cost by and large is supposed to fundamentally be around 97 cents in the following a long time from 2027 in a significant manner. Cardano Value Expectation 2028. Market examiners and specialists explicitly say that Cardano Value Forecast and Specialized Examination, Cardano, truly is supposed to cross a value level of $1.31 in 2028. In the meantime, Cardano for the most part is supposed to arrive at least cost of $1.20 this year in a kind of enormous manner. The in every practical sense, greatest cost might reach $1.35 in an especially significant manner. Cardano Value Expectation 2029. By the start of 2029, the Cardano Value Forecast and Specialized Investigation essentially anticipate that the expense of Cardano will by and large reach $1.85, and the cost of ADA ought to especially reach $1.85 before the year's over, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Likewise, ADA can especially reach up to $1.70 in cost in a very significant manner. From 2024 to 2029, delay will sort of bring huge years for Cardano development. Cardano Value Expectation 2030. Out of 2030, Cardano Value Expectation really are supposed to cross the $2.62 normal cost level, as indicated by Cardano Gauge and Specialized Investigation,